Diary of a New Color. Makeup diary. So I'm super excited. I am creating this spicy Barbie look. Actually, okay, so real quick, I accidentally created this look. When I originally did it, I actually was supposed to go off of that look in the beginning that I showed you. But I end up doing something totally different. I zoomed out and that's just what came out, and boom, I was just like, you know what, this is different. I like it, and I just went with it. Now, when I started this look as well, I already kind of did the base of my face, my eyebrows, my foundation, a little bit like a little bit blush and everything. And then when I did everything, I powdered it down. So when I was putting the what's it called, the eyeshadow primer, uh it was giving me a little bit of delays, a little bit of haze, a little bit of walls, a little bit of blockages, a little bit of that. And it was wiping all of my makeup of the basically the powder was getting wiped off with the eyeshadow primer. And I had to kind of go over it a couple of times. So just know this look was not just a smooth roller coaster ride, okay? That's all I want to say. If you even made it 6 minutes and 40 seconds and some change far in this video, I just wanted to let you know that you're the realest and I love you. And thank you so much. Thank you deeply for your support. For real. I'm sorry. I just felt that in my spirit and I felt like I needed to say that. But right now we are working on the hair so the hair can match the look. Because, you know, everything has to be in coordination. Okay? With that being said, let's slay these dragons. Okay? Period. Apply that pressure. Let me stop.